Today we're making videos on Videoleap. It's a free app, it's easy to use, and I'm here to show you so you can up your game when it comes to your content that you're posting from your streams. Let's go. Alright guys, we go into the App Store on iOS and we type in Videoleap. It's a free software, even the pro version is only $30 a year, and it's pretty easy to use. If I can use it, I promise you can too. Alright, so I'm going to pick the clip I'm going to be using. Today I'm using this one from this morning's stream, and I'm going to start trimming the fat on it. What I mean by trimming the fat is just going through the clip and finding any bits or pieces that maybe I shouldn't be in the clip. Maybe it's 2 seconds of just silence, maybe it's a stutter on my own end when it comes to my audio, or maybe it's just 3 or 4 seconds of boring content. I'm going to clip that down and really cut it apart to make sure the only parts that are in the final product are entertaining clips. Another thing I do is find parts of the video where it may be funny for you to get a better view on it, like this right here, shockwaving Baby David into the storm. I cut it down using the split, and I'm just gonna pinch the middle screen whenever I have it highlighted and use that to zoom in. It is very simple. It's like zooming in on a photo on an iPhone. So I find the clip, I zoom in on it just to show that a little bit of humor, and I move on. It's subtle, but it changes the pace a little bit of the video, which is going to keep the attention span of the viewer. And here I find another clip where Baby David does this adorable laugh when he dies to the zone, so I do the same thing. I highlight it because it shows the adorableness of Baby David and a little bit of what's going on behind the camera and how that's way more important than what's going on in the gameplay sometimes. Most of the time, let's be honest. Let's party!
Oh!
So here Baby David says, I didn't know I had a campfire after that clip, and sometimes you need a subtitle, whether you just like it per preference or if your child is 5 years old and nobody really knows what he's saying outside of you. So in Videoleap you can add text. It's very simple. I have 1,000 typos here, but forgive me. I'm just gonna add a little bit of a subtitle to it. I'm just gonna have the subtitle say what he says. And here you can pinch and zoom it and kind of drag it wherever you want in the video, and it has a default length which you could just drag that arrow down to the size of the video that you want it to be at. So if you want it 2 seconds, you drag it to 2 seconds. You see the giant T, you can click and hold that and drag that anywhere on the timeline that you want that text to be. So it could be the whole video or just a portion of it like I'm doing here. And on this section, I wanted to add a little bit of animation so it looks like a text. So I went to animation on the text, I went to typewriter, and I just made sure that little meter that I'm moving right here matched where he began and ended his sentence. So here I'm gonna make it a little smaller and match it exactly where he started and finished his sentence. So it came out of text just as it came out of his mouth. And now I look through my whole video, it's done. I click on the top right here and click on export, and I'm ready to save my video to my phone, and from there I can post on socials. I love the 1080 and 30 frames per second saving. You might like 1080 and 60 frames or lower quality with higher frames. I prefer 1080 30 frames. We saved the video and now it's ready to upload on socials, on YouTube, or wherever you want to upload it. And here's the final product. I hope you enjoy it. What's up, man? You won't impulse your own son into the storm. Oh. Get out of here. I'm running out. Get out of here.
No.
Stop what?
Oh, I gotta make it.
You're gonna make it? Let's party.
Oh. I campfire.
You got a campfire the whole time.
I didn't know that.
Now you know.
Yeah.
I hope that was easy for you guys. I hope you understood it. I hope from now on you start making clips more so about your character and how funny you are and how creative you are versus your gameplay. But if you would like more tips to grow your channel on Twitch or YouTube or Facebook Gaming or wherever you are, make sure to click the videos around me and subscribe if you liked it. I'll see you guys for the next video, most likely tomorrow. See ya.